Hello students, this is Miss Pooja Arun Matre, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department in Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar East. Today's topic is CND chapter number 1, Fundamentals of Data Communication and Network Topology part 10. The course outcomes are network classification based on a physical size, that is scale. First one is PAN, personal area network. Second one is LAN, local area network. Third one is a MAN, metropolitan area network. Fourth one is WAN, wide area network. Fifth one is WAN, body area network. And sixth one is VPN. The network classification based on a physical scale. A computer network is a group of computers linked to each other that enables the computer to communicate with each computer and share the resources, data and applications. That means computer network means group of computers which are connected to each other. They are communicating with each other and share their resources like a data, printer, applications, etc. A computer network can be categorized by their size. A computer network is mainly of four types, but they are classified into six types, and that types are PAN, personal area network, LAN, local area network, MAN, metropolitan area network, WAN, wide area network, BAN, body area network, and VPN, virtual private network. Personal area network PAN. The personal area network is a network arranged within an individual person, typically within a range of 10 meters. A personal area network is used for the connecting the computer devices of personal use is known as personal area network. That means the device which is used for the personal purpose is known as a personal area network. So Thomas Zimmerman was the first research scientist to bring the idea of the personal area network. And the personal area network covers an area of the 30 feet. Personal computer devices that are used to develop the personal area network are the laptop, mobile phones, media players and playstations. Here is the diagram showing the personal area network. The laptop is connected to the many devices like a headphones, mouse, keyboard, printer, mobile phone, remote, another laptop, etc. Types of personal area network. First one is wired personal area network and wireless personal area network. Wireless personal area network. A wireless personal area network is developed by us simply using a wireless technology such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc. And it is a low range network. Second type is a wired personal area network. So wired personal area network is created by using the USB, that is a wired connection of the devices. Advantages and disadvantages of personal area network. Advantages of PAN are it is easy in network maintenance. And second one, if there are problems on the network, will be more easily handled. But the disadvantage of PAN are a limited network covers only a few devices, and the area of the network is also very limited and only able to cover several meters only. Second topic is local area network. Local area network is a group of computers connected to each other in small areas such as building, office, etc. So LAN is used for the connecting the two or more personal computers through a communication medium such as twisted pair, coaxial cable, etc. So it is a less costly as it is built with inexpensive hardware such as hubs, network adapters and Ethernet cables. The data transfer at an extremely faster rate in a local area network, and local area network provides a higher security. So the local area network is connecting the more than two personal computers through the communications, and LANs are easy to design and it is easy to troubleshoot. In LAN, all the machines are connected to the single cable. Just like we are using the different types of topologies, bus, ring, star, tree, etc. And it uses a layered architectures. So they are capable of operating the hundred of Mbps or Mbit megabits per second. Here the diagram showing the connection of the LAN where the computers are connected to each other. Advantages and disadvantages of LAN are: advantages of LAN: resource sharing, software application sharing, easy and cheap communication, data security and reliability. But the disadvantages of LAN are high setup cost, data security threat, LAN maintenance job, and cover the limited area. Third type is a metropolitan area network MAN. A metropolitan area network is a network that covers a large geographic area by interconnecting a different LAN to form a large network. That means MAN is formed by the connecting of the number of LANs. So MAN is a network that interconnects users within the computer resources in a geographical area which is larger than the covered by the LAN and smaller than the covered by the WAN. So MAN is a basically bigger version of the LAN and normally uses for the similar technology. So government agencies use the MAN to connect us citizens and private industries. In MAN, the various LANs are connected to each other through the telephone exchange line. And the most widely used protocol in a MAN are RS-232, Frame Relay, ATM, ISDN, OC3, ADCL, etc. So MAN may be wholly owned and operated by a private company, or it may be a service provided by a public company such as a local telephone company, telco. It has a higher range than a local area network. The diagram showing the MAN network. Here the number of LANs are connected to each other to form a MAN. Uses of MAN. MAN is used in communication between the banks in a city. It can be used in an airline reservation. It can be used in a college within a city, and it also can be used for the communication in a military. Advantages of MAN. It utilizes the drawbacks of the both LAN and WAN to provide a larger and controllable computer network. MAN requires fewer resources compared to WAN, and this saves the implementation cost. It helps people to interface fast LANs together. This is due to the easy implementation of the links. And the next advantage is it provides a high security compared to the WAN, and it helps in a cost effective sharing of the common resources such as printers, etc. Like LAN and WAN, it also offers a centralized management of data and files. Disadvantages of MAN. It is difficult to manage the network once it becomes large. It is difficult to make a system secure from the hackers and industrial apologies. Network installation require skilled technicians and network administrator. This increases overall installation and the management cost. It requires more cables for the connection from one place to the other compared to the LAN. Next one is the wide area network WAN. A wide area network is a network that extends over a large geographical area such as states and or countries. A wide area network is a quite bigger network than the LAN and MAN also. A wide area network is not limited to single location, but it spans over a large geographical area through a telephone line, fiber optic cable, or a satellite link. A wide area network is widely used in the field of the business, government, and education. So WAN provides a long distance transmission of data, voice, image, and video information over a large geographical areas that may comprise a country and continent for the whole world. It is important to note that here that the terminal uses the same centralized common data provided by the central reservation computer by the wide area network. So the most wide area networks are used for the transferring the large block of data between its user. Here the diagram showing the wide area network. Examples of WAN. Mobile broadband. A 4G network is widely used across a region or country. Last mile. A telecom company is used to provide internet services to the customers in hundreds of cities by connecting their home with fiber. Next one is a private network. A bank provides a private network that connects the 44 offices. This network is made by using the telephone leads line provided by the telecom company. Advantages of WAN. Geographical area. A wide area network provides a large geographical area. Suppose if the branch of our office it is in a different city, then we can connect with them through the WAN. The internet provides a lease line through which we connect with another branch. Second one is the centralized data. In case of WAN network, data is centralized. Therefore, we do not need to buy emails files or backup servers. Third one is the get update files. Software companies work on the live server. Therefore, the programmers get updated files within seconds. Exchange message. In a WAN network, messages are transmitted fast. The web application like Facebook, WhatsApp, Skype allows you to communicate with friends. Sharing of software and resources. In a WAN network, we can share the software and other resources like hardware, RAM, etc. Global business. We can do the business over the internet globally using the WAN. And next one is a high bandwidth. If you use the lease line for our company, then this gives a high bandwidth. The high bandwidth increases the data transfer rate, which in turn increases the productivity of our company. Disadvantages of WAN. Security issue. A WAN network has more security issues as compared to the LAN and MAN network, as all the technologies are combined together that creates a security problem. Second one is a need firewall and antivirus software. The data transferred on the internet which can be changed or hacked by the hackers, so the firewall needs to be used. Some can inject the virus in our system to, and so antivirus is needed to protect from such a viruses. High setup cost. An installation cost of the WAN network is high. It involves the purchasing of the router switches. Troubleshooting problem. It covers a large area, so fixing the problem is so difficult. Next one is the body area network. BAN. BAN or a wireless BAN. Wireless body area network is a wireless network of the wearable computing devices. These devices may be placed in a human body or surface mounted on a human body in a particular position. The growth of attention is wearable technologies such as glasses, watches have meant to improve a focus on a wireless networking. The term "BAN" have been invented to refer the wireless network technology used in a combination with wearable. The main purpose of these networks is to transmit a data products by wearable devices outside to a wireless LAN or the internet. So in some cases, wearables can also exchange the data directly with each other. The field of BAN is a particular area that could permit a cheap and constant health monitoring medical records through the internet. So, a number of intelligent physiological sensors can be combined into a wearable wireless band which can be used to detect a medical conditions. The area relies on the availability of implanting very small biosensors inside the human body. So, the fixed sensors in the human body will gather various physiological variations to observe the status of the patient's health. The information will be transferred wirelessly to the exterior processing unit. So, the band device will immediately transmit all the information to the doctors throughout the world. If an emergency is noticed, the doctors will instantly update the health status of the patient through the PC by sending a particular message. That means ban is help for in a medical conditions. They detect the issues and they detect the issues and they send a message on the PC throughout the world. So the band network is a good network for the medical emergencies. Body area network. Some of the most important components of the band network include the following: various types of detectors for motion and monitoring sensors, various kinds of accelerometers are used as a component in a band area network. Body area network. Different types of sensing technologies are used in arrangement of bands like psychological sensors, ECG. Sorry, different types of sensing technologies are used in arrangement of band like physiological sensor ECG or the EEG. Applications of band. The bands are used in a medical field for the sake of monitoring and detecting the internal disease of human body. A band are used for the detecting the various chronic dis- diseases such as a heart attack, asthma, etc. Bands are also applicable. Bans are also applicable for the security departments on the sports and also used for the communication. Here the diagram showing the diagram of ban, uses of ban. The various capabilities of body area network are security, electronics bill payment, monitor body condition for the medical and healthcare, in-car communication while we are driving, automatic operations for the office security, and etc. Virtual Private Network (VPN). The VPN stands for the Virtual Private Network. A virtual private network is a technology that creates a safe and encrypted connection over a less secure network such as internet. So virtual private network is a way to extend a private network using a public network such as internet. The name only suggests that is a virtual private network, that is, a user can be a part of local network sitting at a remote location, and it makes use of tunneling protocols to establish a secure net connection. A VPN extends a corporate network through the encrypted connection made over the internet because the traffic encrypted between the device and the network. So traffic remains private as it travels. An employee can work outside the office and still securely connect to the corporate network. Even smartphones and tablets can connect to the VPN. Advantages of VPN. First one is security. The VPN should protect data while it is traveling on the public network. Second one is reliability. Employees and the remote offices should be able to connect to VPN. Third one is a cost saving. Its operational cost is less as if it transferred the support burden to the service provider. It reduces the long distance telephone charges. It cut the technical support. Scalability. Growth, is the flexible, that is we can easily add a new locations to the VPN, and it is efficient with broadband technology. Disadvantages of VPN. For VPN network to establish, we require an in-depth understanding of the public network security issues. The VPNs need to accommodate complicated protocols other than IP. There is a shortage of standardization. The product from the different vendors may or may not work well together. The reliability and the performance of an internet based private network depend on uncontrollable external factors which is not under an organization direct control. Thank you.